3 हाई कोर्ट इन द स्टेट। आर्टिकल 214 से 227। आर्टिकल 214 से 227 अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज। क्लोज 1 ऑफ आर्टिकल 217 प्रोवाइड that every judge of a high court shall be appointed by the president by warrant under this hand and seal after consultation with the chief justice of India, the governor of the state and in the case of appointing of a judge other than the chief justice the chief justice of high court full stop। चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट्स यानी कि हाई कोर्ट इन द स्टेट 214 से 227। अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ हाई कोर्ट जज क्लोज 1 ऑफ द आर्टिकल 217 प्रोवाइड दैट एवरी जज ऑफ ए हाई कोर्ट शैल बी appointed by the president by warrant under this hand and seal after consultation with the chief justice of India, the governor of the state, and in the case of appointing of a judge other than the chief justice the chief justice of high court full stop। Case law। एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड एसोसिएशन वर्सी यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994। यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रिस्क्राइब एडवोकेट ऑन रिकॉर्ड एसोसिएशन वर्सी यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया 1994। द सुप्रीम कोर्ट प्रिस्क्राइब प्रोसीजरल नॉर्म टू बी फॉलो इन अपॉइंटिंग द जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट full stop। In this regard, the court ruled that the process of appointment must be initiated by the chief justice of concerned high court full stop। Greater signification should be attached to the view of chief justice of India and other supreme court judges who were conversant with the affair of the concerned high court and opinion of the senior judge of the high court relevant in the matter full stop। This gave double edge to the interpretation of the law related to the appointment of the high court judge full stop। This matter was also referred in the presidential reference as given before in the answer full stop। The opinion of the Supreme Court in this relation that meant appointment of the High Court judge is as follow full stop full stop। In the matter of the appointment to High Court the opinion of the Chief Justice of India has primacy full stop to expression consultation with the Chief Justice of India in Article 217 Clause 1 required consultation with the plurality of judge in the formation of the opinion of the Chief Justice of India full stop। The Chief Justice of India should form this opinion on the same manner as he formed it in regard a recommendation for appointment to the Supreme Court full stop in consultation with the collegium That mean in consultation with the collegium full stop. The collegium in case of the appointment to the High Court should constitute of the Chief Justice of India and the two senior most judge of the Supreme Court full stop. Third, the collegium should also account take into account the opinion of the Chief Justice of High Court, and the view of other High Court judge who may have been consolidated, who have been who have who may have been consolidated, and the view of other Supreme Court judges who are conversant with the affair of the concerned High Court. Full stop. For recommendation, all the recommendations should be conveyed to the Government of India in writing. Government of India in writing. 5. Judicial review in case of an appointment to a High Court is available if the view of the Chief Justice and senior judge of the High Court and Supreme Court knowledgeable about the High Court have not been sought or considered by the collegium. Considered by the collegium, the reference was considered by the Supreme Court on account of in commitment made by the Attorney General on behalf of the government of India to the court that the executive would consider the opinion binding on it. Full stop. Hence, a faith in judiciary is assured by the executive and the advisory opinion. Thus, mark a new and happy relationship between the executive relation between the executive relation between the executive and the judiciary. Executive and the judiciary. Transfer of High Court judge. Article 222. Transfer of High Court judge. Article 222 clause 1 of Article 222 provide that a judge of High Court may be transferred to another High Court by the President after the consultation with the Chief Justice of India. After the consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Full stop. Case law. Union of India versus Sankal Chand. Sankal Chand H. Sathi. Sankal Chand. Union of India versus Sankal Chand. Sankal Chand 1997. Union of India versus Sankal Chand 1997 case. The Supreme Court held the transfer of High Court. Transfer of High Court judge is an issue of greater importance. And it can be done only in public interest and after due deliberation and effective consultation between CGI and the President. Full stop. Hence, transfer should not be subject to whim and caprice of the executive. Full stop. Case law. SP Gupta versus Union of India. AIR 1982. SP Gupta versus Union of India. AIR 1982. The question inter alia. The question inter alia related to the interpretation of the expression consultation with the Chief Justice of India. The question inter alia inter area related to the interpretation of the expression consultation with the Chief Justice of India full stop. It was held that the initiation 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 it it was held that the initiation initiation of the proposal for the transfer of a judge should be done by CJI alone. Full stop. Hence, the opinion of the CJI in the matter would not only be primary but would be determinative in nature. Would be determinative in nature. Would be determinating in which nature. The matter again came. The matter again came before the Supreme Court in reference made the president under Article 143 full stop in answer to the presidential reference. The court reported that the matter again came before the Supreme Court. The matter again came before the Supreme Court in reference made the President under Article 143. President under Article 143 full stop in answer to the President reference. The court reported that A. Before recommending the transfer of a judge, the Chief Justice of India must consultate a plurality of the judge. Must consultate a plurality of the judge too while giving the opinion. The Chief Justice must obtain the view of the Chief Justice of High Court where the judge is transferred, and if transfer of the Chief Justice of the High Court from where the judge is transferred. Full stop. The matter again came before the Supreme Court in reference made by the President under Article 143 full stop in answer to the President reference. The court report that one before recommending the transfer of a judge, the Chief Justice of India must consult a plurality of judge full stop to while giving the opinion. The Chief Justice must be obtain the view of the Chief Justice of High Court where the judge is transfer, and of the Chief Justice of the High Court from where the judge is transferred. Full stop. These judge must express their view in writing. Full stop. The Chief Justice of India must have for this assistant a collegium constituting the constitution for senior most judge of the Supreme Court. Most judge of the Supreme Court. Full stop. For the view should be conveyed. To the Government of India along with the proposal of transfer. Full stop. Unless the decision has been taken in the manner aforesaid, it is not decisive and does not by the Government of India. Full stop. Full stop. The same procedure apply for the transfer of Chief Justice of High Court as the Chief Justice of another High Court, except that in this case only the view of one or more knowledgeable Supreme Court judge and needed to be taken into account. Again, to be taken into count.